morning, everyone, and welcome back to another week of Nexus Grain Market Updates. It is Tuesday morning, December 2, 2025, 9:55 a.m. Let's get to the markets. Price of a bushel of corn right now is up 2.25 pennies. I'm paying $4.10 to $4.07 range across the Nexus terminal markets. That price right now is up about 14 cents on the week as well as 14 cents on the month. So we have seen a bit of a bump in the corn market past few weeks. Certainly been a decent return for the new crop corn that was put up. We have rolled the basis from the Dece to the March. Took about a 10-cent carry with it. Essentially the basis unchanged as we've moved along through the season from Dece to March. Probably a couple of things I want to mention is the trading range is fairly narrow right now. Since what I would consider the end of the growing season, the beginning of the ripening season, I picked a date of August 29 of this past summer. March corn 26 since then has experienced a 31-cent trade range. Likewise, Dece of 26, very, very narrow in the same period of time, 22-cent trade range in the period of time since the 29th of August. I will share with the group this morning the new crop values across the company. Pretty flat. I'm 432 for December. October, we'll back that up one period rather. 427 for new crop corn, October, 432 Dece, and 440 for January. So for those of you looking at some new crop values, that is available. The soybean market is a completely different type of creature right now. We're down 2.5 pennies on the day. Trade range of that is 1051 to 1056. Prices across the Nexus terminals. I will go to the new crop value. Same type of terminals across the company, 1047 to 1052 for October of 26. Those values that I just quoted are down 2.5 cents. That is that's up about 11 cents on the week and about 8 cents on the month. So beans fairly flat for the value of a soybean. Certainly percentage gain is percentage change much lower than it is for corn. Really the defining difference between corn and beans this particular season is export numbers. I do want to share the today I'll talk a little bit about our sales. Not necessarily our shipments, but our cumulative sales that we have. We have 39 weeks remaining right now for corn and soybeans in our export season. I talked to my other groups about some of the co-products, soy oil, soy meal. That has a 4-week lag. We're going to focus on corn and beans right now. This time versus last year, and again, we've just started getting our reports back from the National Ag Statistics Service. We're up 376 million bushels this year versus last year with our export sales commitments. That puts us above pace a little over 200 million bushels for exports this year versus last. Soybeans, exactly the opposite. In fact, about 370 million bushels of soybeans less sales this year versus last. Again, puts us about 345 million bushels below pace to hit our NAS number. It's soybeans. Again, the soybean market is a tale of lack of sales to China, and the corn market is a tale of additional sales to virtually everybody else that uses corn. So I want to touch base, and I'm going to show a slide here of what we get to experience during a range-bound market. A range-bound market, again, is a market where I've showed you we have a 22-cent trade range that's occurred in the past 3 months. for December of 26 corn. What that lends itself very well to is any type of the premium style contracts that are available. Could be something as simple as the sale of a call option. I am very much in favor of the accumulator product. This is what you're seeing before you right now. Accumulators right now are taking a 467 Dees market and allowing you to sell at 493. That's a 26-cent gross premium. We take a little fee out of that. But for those of you that are willing to accept a very measured amount of risk, there is a considerable premium available to you for that. Again, that is a service that Nexus Cooperative is able to provide for you. Again, with our expertise in this type of product, very happy to sit down and explain to you just what your risks are and what your opportunities are. I do want to move on to what we are going to see going forward. We are starting to repopulate our calendars with the production reports that we are accustomed to getting. It's been a while since we've seen one, but on the 9th of December, just one week from today, 11 a.m., we're going to get a new crop production report. Again, we're going to get to fill in all the blanks. It's going to tell us what we planted, what we've harvested, what the yields are, what the use is going to be, and what the resulting carryout is going to be. That's an estimate, of course, and we'll stick with calling that an estimate. The very next day, usage report, soy crush, corn consumption in the various processing industries that we have here in the U.S. And then later on the next week, the 19th, we're getting back into our livestock reports. So time is moving on. We're stepping back into the business of actually collecting real data and reporting it to you. And very good information to have. I did have a producer ask me yesterday about planning intentions reports for the season. Those you should expect to see something in late March for a actual official numbers published. I will tell you from our experience here at Nexus, I'm not seeing a great deal of transition. Agronomically is about the only thing that's going to really govern variations in acreage between corn and soybeans, depending on what type of rotation that you're locked into with your operation. That's really about it for today. I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching today. I want to also thank you for your business. You are a valued member producer here at Nexus. We are a full service. We want to be your full service member-owned cooperative. We offer a full line of agronomic products, feed, seed, fuel, fertilizer. We have what you need to produce a crop and bring it to town. So call any of the Nexus professionals, and we would be happy to take care of that for you. So have a good day, and talk to you later. Okay, bye.